Today, I am reviewing HP 17 Touchscreen Laptop 2025. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When it comes to powerful laptops for business, students, and everyday use, the HP 17 Touchscreen Laptop from 2025 stands out as a versatile and high-performance machine. From the moment you open it, you can tell this is a device built for productivity and seamless multitasking. Featuring a 17.3-inch HD Plus anti-glare display, it offers ample screen real estate for professionals, content creators, and students who need a large workspace. The anti-glare coating ensures reduced eye strain, making it ideal for long hours of work, study, or entertainment, whether you're in a bright office or at home. Under the hood, this laptop is powered by the AMD Ryzen 5 7530U processor, boasting 6 cores and a turbo boost of up to 4.5 GHz. This level of performance allows you to run multiple applications simultaneously without lag, whether it's Microsoft Office suites, browser tabs, or even light content creation tools. Complementing the processor is AMD Radeon integrated graphics, which deliver smooth visuals for everyday tasks, video playback, and light gaming. For those who require heavy multitasking, the laptop comes with a massive 64GB DDR4 RAM, ensuring lag-free switching between demanding applications and large datasets. Storage is another area where the HP 17 truly shines. With a 2TB SSD, this laptop provides lightning-fast boot times, quick file access, and enough space to store your work documents, multimedia files, and software without constantly worrying about running out of room. The combination of SSD speed and high RAM makes this laptop extremely responsive, ideal for business professionals, students, and remote workers who need reliability and performance at their fingertips. In terms of design, the HP 17 series maintains a sleek and professional aesthetic, finished in natural silver, with a full-size keyboard including a numeric keypad, making it efficient for data entry, accounting, and spreadsheet work. The touchscreen functionality adds another layer of productivity and convenience, allowing intuitive gestures, navigation, and interaction with your projects. Despite its large 17.3-inch display, the laptop weighs just 4.58 pounds, making it relatively portable for a desktop replacement machine. Connectivity options are extensive, with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3 for fast, stable wireless connections, a USB Type-C port for high-speed data transfer, USB Type-A ports, HDMI output, and a combination headphone/microphone jack. The built-in 720p HP TrueVision webcam with a privacy shutter ensures clear video calls for virtual meetings and classes, while protecting your privacy when not in use. The HP 17 also comes with a complete accessory bundle, including a 1TB external hard drive, wireless mouse, cleaning cloth, CD/DVD drive, port dust stoppers, and webcam cover. This means you have everything you need to get started immediately, without buying extra peripherals. The laptop runs Windows 11 Pro, offering enterprise-grade security, productivity tools, and the latest features from Microsoft, ideal for business, education, or personal use. Battery life on this laptop is designed to last through extended work or study sessions, and the anti-glare screen and efficient Ryzen processor help maximize energy efficiency. Whether you are tackling spreadsheets, attending video conferences, streaming media, or creating content, this HP 17 laptop is designed to keep up with your daily demands. Overall, the HP 17 Touchscreen Laptop 2025 is a robust and versatile machine for students, professionals, and anyone seeking a large-screen laptop with powerful performance. Its combination of Ryzen 5 CPU, AMD Radeon graphics, 64GB RAM, and 2TB SSD storage makes it a premium option for productivity, entertainment, and multitasking. If you're looking for a laptop that can handle business, study, and multimedia effortlessly, this HP 17 series laptop is a compelling choice that delivers both performance and value.